In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Venmo merchant payment failed. So in order to fix this, what you can do is you can head over and then try to go to your actual Venmo. So your Venmo payment failed because of several reasons. If it failed because of insufficient funds, you just need to add funds for it to actually went through with it. Next, if you're having internet or technical problems, you can head over and then try to connect to another internet in order to actually proceed with the merchant payment. If your card issuer or bank declined the payment, you need to reach out to them in order to fix this as well. Now, if you exceeded the limits on your Venmo payment, you can head over and adjust it or talk to Venmo themselves so they can adjust it. They actually have a maximum limit for free to payment around here, and you can increase up to $60,000. If you have incomplete, outdated, or unverified account information, you just need to actually update them in order to continue using Venmo. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.